Hey, this is John with Spoiled Biker. In this video we're going to show you how you can use the RAM mount system to mount a camera on your motorcycle. Now, if you're not familiar with the RAM system, there is a great, high quality, very strong design that uses a ball on the device and a ball on the motorcycle with an arm in between that has a socket on each end so it can be swiveled. So this is a 3-inch arm. You put it on the socket and you can move it around. And for this demonstration we're going to use the camera tripod mount. So it's got a threaded stud that goes into any camera with a tripod mount. You can just use a thumb screw to tighten it up and put it wherever you'd like. So that's a 3-inch arm. They also have a 2-inch arm and a 5-inch arm that works in the same manner. So you can put that at any spot to get it into the right camera angle or to get it out of the field of view of your speedometer and gauges, etc. This is just a simple handlebar mount, the RAM-B-201. But if you don't have a handlebar, a round bar placement available, they do have other options. Another option would be to place a ball on top of your reservoir cover. So this is the RAM-B-345, and it can be placed right there on top of the brake or clutch reservoir. It does come with different length screws in case the screws that you have on your bike are not long enough, and it has enough holes to be, or slots to be fairly universal for 4 or 2 bolt patterns. And if that ball location is not great, you can use a RAM-B-346, which is a side ball, which allows you to slide it over a little further away, one direction or another. Another option for putting the RAM ball on the bike is the RAM-B-360U. This has a twist and tilt function to it, so it displaces the mirror mount. If you have just a regular threaded hole for your mirror, then it comes with all this hardware to displace it a little bit. You can twist this how you like, as well as tilt this to give you the height and perspective you want. We found that with a heavy camera or heavy object, this was not a good solution, but it works well for light objects. So please subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and check out SpoiledBiker.com, where we have lots of gadgets to make you a spoiled biker and make each ride better than the last.